Welcome to Paloma Ranch. This upscale community in Santan Valley offers semi-custom built homes where every property is RV friendly.
Paloma Ranch offers a blend of convenience and tranquility, making this community so desirable.
This popular floor plan offers 4 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and an office. The open floor plan is inviting and functional, tying the living room, kitchen, and dining room together for one large space.
Your outdoor retreat includes a sparkling pool that can be heated or chilled so you can enjoy it all year long. Don't forget the full-size RV gate and slab designed to accommodate your favorite choice. Contact us for more information on this stunning property.